Samsung started their fan edition range of phones with the S20FE, a handset that had all the features of their top flagship: fast processor, great triple rear camera, and beautiful screen, in a more affordable plastic housing, allowing a greater range of people to enjoy top-of-the-range devices. And it must have gone pretty well, because this year Samsung is back with the new fan edition device, the Galaxy S21FE 5G. The box is slim, no power brick or headphones included, just the phone and a USB-C cable. And the phone itself is surprisingly lightweight, a water-resistant rating of IP68, an aluminium frame, and a smooth plastic back, with Samsung's famous camera cutout. These materials make for a durable combo, and it's definitely a comfortable fit in the hand and in your pocket. The screen is great. It has fairly thin bezels, Gorilla Glass Victus, and the picture quality is fantastic. 6.4-inch AMOLED running at your choice of either 60Hz or 120Hz, all with HDR10+. This means everything you do feels quick and responsive, from scrolling web pages to typing and using apps. And the HDR10+, along with the stereo dual speaker setup, makes it great for watching movies or YouTube. The New Zealand version is running the new Exynos 2100, a 5nm processor that seems to be a solid step up over the 990. I haven't had any noticeable slowdowns when switching between apps, and the gaming performance also seems pretty good when dealing with pretty intense 3D titles. So Samsung definitely deliver on their promise of flagship performance. Inside we have a 4500 mAh battery, the same size we had in the S20 FE. And while the battery life is not at the very top of the range, you'll still easily get through a full day. And at this point, I'm always charging my phone at night anyway, so I didn't have any complaints myself. Paired with a Samsung 25-watt fast charger, you'll be back up to 50% battery in 30 minutes. This is just a separate purchase. Along with a flagship screen and performance, we also get top-notch cameras. 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide with an 8 megapixel telephoto. And in Samsung fashion, the photos come out clear and colorful. It even supports up to 30 times zoom, with a handy feature to help stabilize your shot while taking a photo. Plus, the front selfie camera is a massive 32 megapixels, and also supports a wide angle option for fitting more people into your scene, which will keep all those selfie takers happy. Video also looked great, with support up to 4K at 60 FPS, and good image stabilization. Finally, the operating system is running Samsung's new One UI 4.0 out of the box, which is based on the latest Android 12, and has been a smooth experience. All the toggles and interface look modern and colorful, and a great experience all around on the apps I use day to day. It's really hard to find things to nitpick about this device. I would have loved to see a headphone jack or expandable memory, and the launch price is still sitting at just over $1,000. However, in return, you're getting a powerful and surprisingly worry-free device. The IP68 rating means you can be caught in the rain with no problems. The Gorilla Glass Victus protects the front display, and the lacquer glass on the back makes drops far less of a worry. The overall experience feels similar to an S21 Ultra, for half the price. While still missing some of the standout camera features and the battery of that device, I think the S21 FE has a solid place in the Galaxy lineup, and would probably be the phone I'd recommend to people wanting to join the Samsung ecosystem. I think Samsung's nailed the 3 features that matter the most to everyday users: screen, performance, and cameras. And in the day and age of phones sitting around $2,000, this is a very strong option. We have some units on display in our stores, so just head into your local PB Tech if you want to try it out for yourself. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I'm Eli from PB Tech. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.